Hi everyone, and welcome back to another how-to video. Today's recipe is cheese and onion scones. Again, another simple recipe, so we'll get started. You need about 125 grams of plain flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So that go into the bowl. Then you want about 55 grams of butter, and that can go in. You can use margarine or dairy-free alternatives, that's fine. Then we need a little bit of seasoning, so a little bit of pepper, salt, and then you want some kind of like flavouring or spice. I'm going to use hot paprika, but you can use normal paprika, cayenne pepper, or any other sort of flavouring you want really. If you wanted to give it a little more kick, you could use chili powder or something, that'd be fine. Once the butter and flour mixed together to form almost like a crumble or breadcrumb mix, then you can add the rest of the ingredients. Got about 100 grams of grated cheddar. Again, you can use any cheese you want. You don't want to use it all. You want to add it in just slowly so it can mix in. And you want to save some of it for the top. Probably want to use about 80 grams and then save the rest of it for the top. And you can add a white onion. Now it's a whole chopped white onion, and I've diced it fairly small. Again, if you don't want to chop it that small, or don't really like cutting things like that, you can grate it, it's completely fine, that's not an issue. That one goes in. Again, if you wanted to use dairy-free cheese and dairy-free stuff, that's completely fine. This will work pretty much just the same. So you just give that a second to mix in. You've got 100 ml of milk, and then you just slowly add that in. And eventually it should start forming a pastry. Once it's mixed together for about 5 minutes, it should be pretty much good to go. So you can take it out. You can see you have this nice pastry mix. Cool. Now, what you want to do is just mould it together, roll it into a nice ball. You want to flour your side or board, whatever you're doing this on. Place it down, and then flour the rolling pin, and then just roll it out. Now, you can roll it to any thickness you want. I'm going to make some quite large ones, so I'm going to keep the pastry quite thick. And again, you can use any shape cut you want. I'm just going to pick a nice big round one. Stick that in there. And then should get a nice scone shape. And then that just goes onto a tray ready to go in the oven. Right. Once you've got them all cut and laid on a tray, take the milk that you had some spare left over and just brush the tops of them. Give it a nice good coating. There we go. Once they're all nicely coated, then you take back some of the cheese that was left over and you just sprinkle that on top. Don't worry if you get some on the tray. You want to space them out quite evenly, just so they've got a little bit of room to cook and grow. And that's it. They just go in the oven, preheated oven, about 180 on fan oven. Put them on the middle shelf and give them about 15 to 25 minutes. But just keep checking them, because obviously don't want to burn the cheese on top, and then obviously you don't want to overcook your scones. So we'll get in the oven and then we'll see what they look like when they come out. Right, so it's been about 15 minutes, so let's give them a check, shall we? I reckon they're looking done. So there you go, that is your cheese and onion scones. They are ready to go if you want to eat them nice and warm, or you can cool them down and leave them for a bit, cut them, treat them like a normal scone, put some kind of filling in them. But that's it, and that's the end of the video. Thank you so much again for watching, and see you in the next one. Laters.